It's a big wash diamond dipping up black. Okay. Anyway, I'm a banana. Okay. I don't even know what to do by now. Brit, I'm recording, by the way. I'm a banana. Just take a moment and appreciate this. Okay, so, I was just called stupid by my friend. Okay, anyway, I'm done with this. No, I'm not. I like it. Agreed. Me and my friend are just arguing over the phone. He called me a lot of stuff. You know what, Jason? I'm gonna show you I ain't got no VIP flipping ticket. See? What do you wanna see this, Jay? You have none of these to give away. You're welcome. Stop sharing this with me. My fact is the big flash diamond enough for the clock. Okay. I'm arguing with Liam again. Banana power, banana power. Woo, woo. Ew, I don't want to watch the royal wedding live. Oof. Do you see my screen? Don't you dare. I said, don't you dare call the cops on me. I'll probably laugh, but oh my god. Today is Saturday. What are you talking about? Saturday. Does that mean you won't be able to talk to us? At all? Like never? Who am I supposed to talk to? Like, one of my life problems. We ain't gonna do crap. Can you join our hangout call? Ew, it's for Fortnite. Stop. I'm a banana. I'm a banana. I just realized I've been recording and I've been acting stupid. So, don't mind me. Banana power, banana power. Look at me go. I'm a banana. Whip. Can you whip? Can you dab? Can you pipe it up and tap? Okay, yeah, okay. What? I can't even with you right now, Britt. I can't even with you. Joking. Ah, dang it, my screen froze. Banana power, banana. And then I won't be able to talk to you ever again once I move to New Jersey. Yeah. I mean, where are you? Yeah. State. How? What's this closer? It's actually not that long. It's 621 miles. I can't even anymore, Baroni. Chilling like a villain. I can't even anymore. Ugh. Chilling like a villain. Like, you can't have your computer? Why? That's gonna suck, Brittany. Sorry, YouTube, I'm just being really bored. You know I'm recording on YouTube, right? Talk to me. Jason Bourne. Jimmy Laughlin. Jason. Chilling Laughlin. You know what? Deuces, bruh. I'm gonna end this YouTube video here because I'm gonna go live stream. Peace out.